First of all, this is not my regular weekly video. Today I got this mobile Moto Edge 50 Fusion and I wanted to unbox this and show its components. It's been 9 months since it has been launched, and even today this mobile is one of the best mobile in its price range, around 23k, with good camera quality and performance. And if someone wants to buy this mobile or looking for some other mobile in that price range, this video might help. So let's get into the video. Before actually unboxing this mobile, let me put in my preferences to select this mobile. I want to make videos in YouTube and I need some good camera quality to record videos and to edit in the same mobile with some good performance. So camera and performance are my basic two preferences to select a mobile, and I finally stopped at this after much research. Stay tuned till the end. I will show you a few photos and videos from our new mobile as well. So what actually happened is, while I'm receiving the delivery guy mentioned that he has some open box delivery scheme in which he have to open the box, show the electronic gadget and take a photo of it and upload it in their portal. Until then, he told that the delivery is not yet completed. And I said okay, and that's why you could see that the box is already open. And once after his open delivery scheme got completed, I asked him to close the box and give it like a fresh box so that I can unbox for my video. So this is the box, Moto Edge 50 Fusion, and we have the Edge 50 Fusion branding on the first front of the box, and we have Hello Moto on the side and some branding stuff on the edges of the box. And let's open the box, and we have, this is probably the case for the mobile, and this is the actual mobile that we got in the box, Moto Edge 50 Fusion. And let's open it and see. Wow, this is nice, sleek. I have selected green color because I thought green is looking good out of all the color options that I have. Pink, white, black and green. I think green is okay. And this is the mobile. It's looking good with the leather back and polycarbonate sides with two big cameras on the back. The in-hand feel of the mobile is pretty good. I'm feeling like it has a good grip and premium feel when I'm holding it in my hands, but it is pretty long. I can't handle the whole mobile with my single thumb finger. I obviously need to go for the other hand to reach the top of the mobile. And let's put the mobile aside for some time and let's see what else they're offering in the box. We have the adapter. I think it's a fast charging adapter. I don't know the exact watts that it allows. It looks good. And we have the USB cable, type A to type C to charge the mobile. And that's all that has been offered inside the box. So let's get into the mobile and set up it fast, and let's come to the home screen. Oh my god, the display is so nice. The colors are so vibrant, and at the same time they are feeling kind of soft. I'll set up the mobile quick and meet you at the end. Welcome everyone to the first ever clip of my new mobile. I think the video quality has been very much increased. This is pretty much okay to record videos for YouTube with the current lighting. This is the internal room lighting I have right now. I'm not used any artificial lighting. The only light is sunlight coming directly from the window, and my voice is also capturing from the internal microphone inside the mobile. I haven't connected to any of the external microphones yet. What do you think of this video quality when compared to the previous clips? And just let me know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly do it now, because I'm committed to work on one topic and release one video every week. Probably this is the topic for this week's video. Alright, bloopers apart, interesting stuff is coming your way. Please keep the channel subscribed.